but we try and get it back into shore. Doesn't seem to want to work. Have a nice look at that hole. It's working a little bit, it's coming in. Slowly but surely, eh? It's coming in. We have Dad and Connor over there waiting for it to come in. Oh, Dad got it. He's flipped it back over. He's going. He's going again. Look at this. This one's keen. He's a keen one, this one. And the water ran upside down, didn't seem to affect it. So that's still flying. Oh, another cartwheel, no, it's still going. Great for me, oh. Got some pace, eh? Look at this thing go. Oh, he's flipped. A little bit of an accident there. Another one. He's now trying to wet me. It's alright, I'm holding his camera. I think you kept a hint. Or has he? No, he hasn't, he just wet me. He just got me. Looks as though he got you too, camera. Oh, he's still getting us. See the grin on his face, eh? Look at the concentration. Look at the concentration. Get closer, face up, look. Look at the grin. It's alright, zoom back out. Try to find this boat. Here we go, he's coming. He's trying to wet us. He's got us a few times. You just hear him laughing over there. That was close to the shore, that one. Where is he? Didn't get us that time. Upside down again.
Did you see that one? Helicopter.
We sure did. He's trying to get back in the same way as last time. That's not going to work this time. He's way out of the water now. That prop is not even an inch in the water. He's just revving his guts out now.
Airboat.
Dad's just called it an airboat. Looks like an upside down boat to me. Listen to that thing. Listen to the revs that thing's pulling. Probably pull 70,000 RPM this one. And it's worked. It is worked.